Welcome to Oak Rise, a remarkable eco-friendly home just 5 minutes from Bude and the sandy beaches of the North Cornish coast. As well as the eco-credentials that I'll come on to mention further on the video, our clients have remodelled this property extensively. This whole area now is open plan, so there's a gorgeous kitchen with central island, a lovely utility, practical space there. Huge dining area as well here. Lovely light room, it gets the sort of sun in the morning and then wraps around to the front in the afternoon. And as you follow me round, you can see it opens beautifully into a lovely big lounge area with a wood burner, some gorgeous views over the valley beyond. You join us outside at Oak Rise. It's got a roughly half an acre plot. The main feature being this resin-bound patio that leads all the way around the property. You can catch the morning sun to the east and very much the afternoon sun to the west. Beautiful entertaining space to enjoy the best of the weather this part of the world offers. Our client has taken a lot of time and effort to adapt this property to a green property with a vast array of eco-credentials. These include a PV panel system with battery storage. There's whole house heating and cooling via air source aircon systems, which are app controlled and can be changed in every single room in the property. The hot water is a Valent system which uses thermal energy from the house to heat the water. There's full fibre broadband to the premises just outside the front of the house. The location is one of the key advantages of the property. You've already seen the benefits of the eco-credentials and the layout and size and flexibility of the property. It is just literally 5 minutes from Bude. The beaches and the clifftop walks, plus the facilities of the village of Stratton are close by with a 7-day opening general stores. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen in the video. This really is a remarkable property. Low running costs, eco-credentials, close to the beach. What more could you ask for? If you'd like a viewing, do give us a call on 01288 353 661. Look forward to seeing you.